Your Excellency, the Chairman of the Nigerian Governors Forum and the Governor of Kwara State, Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, Your Excellency, the Chairman of the All Progressives Congress Governors and the Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, the Governor of Nasarawa State, Alhaji Abdullahi Sule, the Governor of Plateau State, Barrister Caleb Manasseh Mutfwan, the Governor of Taraba State, Dr. Abu Kefas, the Governor of Kogi State, Ahmed, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I give glory to God Almighty for His love, for His kindness and benevolence upon our lives, and for making this day very possible. And I pray for the peaceful repose of the souls of those who have died in the work of the security challenges on our dear state. My inestimable debt of gratitude goes to His Excellency and the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his love and concern for the Benue people, and eminently demonstrated by his prompt visit to the state in the wake of the attack on Yeluwata community in Guma local government area of the state on the 13th day of June 2025. The President's decision to cancel other engagements of state concern to personally pay us a visit in an unquestionable demonstration of true leadership it is. We commend the efforts of all security agencies and formation in Benue State. We sincerely wish to solicit that these efforts be improved and more drastic security measures be taken to confront these challenges better. The attacks on the peace-loving and good people of Benue State have persisted for well over decades. This, we have cause to feel, is a calculated attempt targeted at annihilating us and taking over our ancestral homes. Your Excellency, this visit of yours marks the very first time we will have the President of the nation visit us on the account of insecurity, and we believe that this will bring an end to the security challenges that have persisted against our people in this state. Your Excellency, even though our eyes are full of tears and emotional grief due to the loss of our loved ones, our properties, farmlands, and ancestral homes, our homes are ignited by your visit. You have truly lit a new leaf of hope in everyone in the state this day. And before the visit, the service chiefs and different security formations have come, and we are hopeful that this visit will bring the lasting peace the people of Benue State have long yearned for. Your presence is a form of unimaginable reassurance, and we are confident that never again will our people be subjected to this degree of undeserved and barbaric inhumanity. Your Excellency, the people of Benue State love you, and our prayers and warm wishes will always be with you. Thank you for your love, and thank you for standing with us and by us. While we continue to mourn our losses and rebuild from the ashes of pain, we humbly urge the federal government to consider establishing a special intervention fund for communities affected by these incessant attacks in Benue State. Such a fund would go a long way in supporting the rehabilitation of the displaced persons, rebuilding of destroyed infrastructure, and restoring the livelihoods of our farmers and families whose lives have been upended. Our administration will keep working to ensure that our people are not only safe, but can thrive on their own land. Let me also reiterate my firm support for the establishment of state police as a sustainable solution to the persistent insecurity in our state and perhaps elsewhere. While I acknowledge the concerns surrounding its implementation, I believe the federal government can address these by setting clear state-specific guidelines and regulatory frameworks to prevent any potential misuse. Again, your visit rekindles our hope and energizes all of us to continue thriving the path for peace and loving each other. I pray that God consoles each of us, and for all of you who made your time to be here to console with us, may God continue to bless your efforts. Thank you all.